from this to this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because I recreated this stunning glamorous look inspired by none other than Urvashi Rautela. She's known for her flawless beauty, bold makeup and that radiant glow we all admire. If you love elegant yet bold looks, keep watching because I'll be showing you step by step how I achieved this entire makeup and hair transformation. Her beauty look are always on point. Firstly, I started by prepping my skin using a hydrating moisturizer and this also works as a primer. This step is super important because a well hydrating base makes the makeup look so smooth, smoother and fresh. Never skip moisturizer even if you have oily skin. Now, moving to the next step, the base makeup. I am using Maybelline Superstay Foundation, one of my favorite for a flawless long lasting finish. Taking a small amount, remember a little goes a long way with this foundation because it's highly pigmented. Using a damn beauty blender, I am gently blending it out. Now moving to the next step of base makeup, I am using Forever 52 concealer to brighten up the under area and highlight the center of my face. This concealer has a creamy texture, blends beautifully and gives that flawless finish. It gives you a brightening effect without looking cakey and blends seamlessly. I'm using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencils to define my eyebrows. Urvashi Rautela's eyebrows are always defined and looks perfect, amazing, beautiful. So for that I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. It's in a dark brown shade and slightly I'm going to define my eyebrows. Now it's time to add some dimension to my face using a cream contour. This is from Sugar Cosmetic. I'm applying it right under my cheekbones, along the jawline and on the side of my forehead to create that soft lifted effect. Using a beauty blender, I am blending the contour upwards into the skin. Always remember to blend your contour upwards, not downwards. That way your face looks more lifted and youthful. For a nose, I am using fingers instead of a sponge. I personally feel like if you contour your nose with your fingers, it gives you a more finish, more dimension. Now moving on to my favorite step, cream blush. I'm applying a 3 dot of cream blush to the apple of my cheek, slightly blending it toward my temple for that fresh natural flush. Now for set the base in the place, I am using K-Beauty translucent powder under my eyes, around my nose. I am not going to apply this all over my face because it's not required and I want a dewy finish. I am using Forever 52 makeup fixer. Instead of spraying it directly on my face, I am firstly spraying it on my beauty sponge. This way I get better control and it helps the makeup melt beautifully into the skin without disturbing the face. Now it's time to the most beautiful part of the makeup is to applying highlighter. I am using Maybelline highlighter. This highlighter is just amazing. As you can see that I took a little amount of highlighter and blending it out wherever I need to highlight my face and it blends beautifully and give amazing spotlight finish. I just love this highlighter from Maybelline. Now moving to the next step, eye look. Eye look is really important in this recreation. I just love that Urvashi Rautela eye look. So for this I am taking a soft brown eyeshadow. I am blending it gently into my crease line and the give our eye some natural depth and definition. I am using fluffy blending brush and walking in small circular motion. And to make my eyes look bigger, I picked light eyeshadow shade and applied it to the inner corner of my eyes and I am doing it with my finger because it's become more pigmented and blends beautifully. I am going to show you a simple yet beautiful winged eyeliner technique that you can easily do at home. I started by drawing a thin line on my eyes and then I created a line from back to help me shape the wing. Now I smoothly join this line to the front of my eyes, creating a perfect winged eyeliner look. This technique is really so simple and give you a perfect winged. You will not get messy, trust me if you try this technique. For this look I am using these lashes. These lashes I ordered from Amazon and they are very affordable. So this is my technique to apply lashes. So what I have done, I am applying lash glue as a liner and then leave it for a few seconds to get dry, and then after that I will apply eyelashes. So this is my quick and easy technique to apply eyelashes without any mess. This is the next step. I am taking a dark brown eyeshadow and going to smudge under my eyes. Here I am applying Forever 52 White Kajal. Now it's time to complete this look with a nude lipstick. So for that I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in a dark brown shade to contour or overline my lips, so that after applying nude lipstick my lips will not look small. And then going to smudge this out with a Baked Beauty nude lip color. I will share the name of this lipstick. And going to complete this lip shade with the Swiss Beauty lip palette. I am taking this peach color and going to apply middle of my lips so that my lips will give ombre effect and look big. Completing this look with my favorite Maybelline Ink Wink lipstick. I am gonna share all the details of my product that I have used in this video in my description box. Now that the makeup is all done, let's move on to the outfit. I'm going to change into something that fit the vibes of this bold but chic look. It's time to do my hair. I'm going to use a straightener to create soft curls. This is such an easy way to add volume and texture to your hair without using curling iron. I hope you guys enjoy this video and found some helpful tips to try in your own routine. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more makeup and beauty content. Thanks for watching.